Whether you bash your RC cars in the car park or go to races maximising performance, it's always good to do it on a little budget. Here's a quick tip to save some money or ultimately put some newer tyres on a little bit more often. Let's face it, we're racing after all. So step one, we want to cut as much of the tyre off as possible. So we're going to use a good pair of sharp scissors. I've got an allocated set of body shell scissors which I find really good. What we also want to make sure we're doing when we're cutting the tyre off is not to catch the insert where possible, because we can obviously reuse the insert as well and save even more money. Just want to make sure, as I say, we're not catching that insert. Same again on the other side. Remove the excess now, just that central part of the tyre. Left with something that looks like this. Now we just need to remove the insert. As I said earlier, when you're gluing your tyres, it's always good to try not to glue or add too much glue within the wheel and the tyre itself, so you end up gluing the insert to the wheel. You can still use the insert if you do this, so don't worry too much, but the less that you can, the better condition the insert's going to stay. As you can see, it's just a couple of little areas where it's caught the glue, but ultimately still a very usable insert, so pop that to one side. And here we are left with a wheel with just the beads more or less still on the rim. Okay, so there we have it. We've got a couple of pairs of wheels, inserts here. Inserts out of these were probably a little bit too far gone. I think I've reused them twice now, and there was a wet tyre, so they're a little bit past it, so we'll get rid of those. But we've got two usable inserts there. We've got two sets of wheels ready to go in the acetone. So we're just going to pop a little base layer in there. We don't need to go too mad. This will do lots and lots of wheels, so we're going to pop just enough to cover that kind of bottom rim. Lovely. Probably worth mentioning as well at this point, you can put lots of wheels in here. You don't just need to do the 4, you can do a lot more than 4, as much as you can really fit in. Don't forget, you're going to need an airtight lid. Very important, airtight lid, key for safety. It's going to be indoors and to maximise the performance of the acetone. So that's it. So we're going to put those on the shelf now. We're going to come back to this in 2 days, but as if by magic, we're going to see this in the next few seconds. And we're going to see the result. And here we go. So, here's some I made earlier, as they say on Blue Peter. Have you ever seen that before? You UK guys probably have. But anyway, what you've all come to see. There we go. And as you can see, without even doing any work, they're just literally falling off. The acetone has literally got under the bead of the tyre, the vapour, and the glue is no more. Let's get them out and have a look. With no work at all, they are completely off. As you can see, we are left with some sort of sticky residue from the glue, but as you can see, it's easily removed. You can do this with a blade, with a knife, with a dry cloth. If you're worried about the super glue or the acetone, Definitely use some gloves. But yeah, let's give them a little clean up and see the final result. So there we have it, some usable wheels, saved loads of money, multi-use. Wheels are no longer single use if you haven't done this before. These are perfectly fine to get some new tyres on, get them back on your car and go and dominate. Save some money in the process, absolutely awesome. I could probably spend a little bit more time just taking a little bit more of the excess glue that's still on there, but ultimately they're still going to glue up just fine. There is another method which you can also add in. Some people have two different buckets of acetone. First one's like the dirty acetone, which will take out most of the glue and the rubber from the tyre, and then you might put these in another bucket for a day or so just to remove all of that yellow glue even more so, but ultimately ready to hit the track. Lovely job.